Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to place WooCommerce product order on WhatsApp. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to install plugin. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. Then in search plugin, write order on mobile for WooCommerce. So this is plugin order on mobile for WooCommerce we will use. So click on install now. Then click on activate it. So plugin is activated. On left side you see order mobile for WooCommerce. So click on it. Now general setting open. So you can add your WhatsApp number, enter with your country code, and then you see show button in product page. Enable this option. And then you see show button in cart page. So enable this option. So you can add your number. So number is added. And then click on save setting. Now setting saved. Now you see different tab. So click on checkout. So this available in pro version. Then you see product page. So click on it. So you can add your custom message and then you can add button text. Now you see open in new tab. Enable this option. If you want you can hide button on desktop device. Now you see hide price in product page. If you want you can enable this option. And then you see hide add to cart button. If you want you can remove add to cart button and then click on save setting. Then click on cart page. So you can add your custom message and then button text and then enable this option and click on save setting. Now setting saved. Go to product page and refresh the page. Now scroll down. You see WhatsApp order now. Now go to cart page and also refresh the page. Now scroll down you see order WhatsApp. So we have 3 items in cart. Now click on order WhatsApp. Now you see order using WhatsApp. So this is product detail, order detail. Now click on continue to chat. So we are using WhatsApp web. So click on it. Now we are in WhatsApp and then you see order using WhatsApp custom message. Then you see order detail. Now scroll down. You see cart total. Now back to product page. Now scroll down. Open any product. Now you see WhatsApp order now button. So click on it. Now you see order detail with price and product name. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.